Moreover, cyber post is set up only for the purpose of defending our land, defending our citizens. In
ตัวนี้วางกินน้ำตกมองตัวนี้ผมกินหางมันตีหอกกินตัวโตดาดเนี่ยไกลๆสิวางความมันละไม่ตำตีมันอะไรเหรอ
สุยาจุกิปปโซเทจิติงอาซงลุงเกลท่าในปีวามาในปุยลิวินเดียทังวาปมาปันปี
ตัวนี้นี่คือเจออย่างนี้ไม่โกงอ่ะหัวตึงนะบังเกิดมันอยู่กับจริงเราจะทัวร์สีถึงหน้ากันไหนด้วยสิว่าหน้าเปลือกกันไหนด้วย cái này là cái này hoa hoa này được rồi
hú xuống bao thì lo đồ bình hú xuống bao lo đồ bình chút tiền là still for so tàu đi still for so tàu đi là thì cái mua số tôi là bây giờ họ đi cái chỉ được ta nó chỉ là nó gắm nó chèn nó gắm nó đào thôi hơi là nó chèn ta nó chèn những cái đồ gì hay là nó chèn cái gì chút tiền là cắt thiệt là cái gắm mà cái chỉ đi bằng là vậy cái tôi là đấy các sinh viên tu ni khô ta sa dam selamin sarwa kalam piule hang sing wading ami hizat kini khat ta pan khom dina kong khom thai ta zeven hi chan chana nei pu na chuna ki pa thu da sein namin theng ka thang ba ve nei tu na ka bol diu ka to diu hi baba na ipi hung so dam ti ka povin hi jong le thopuma ipi lu jong le gam sunga dinga panla ding kahi ta hong kal song kahi zeven ki ho chan ki ben mo jong le ka ki ben jong le diu tham pe to kai na man ha ga tho nin sol pu kun la na van ti te nei na sa bin lang ka chung wal hung thei ha sab gan thei na gin cha lo thil hung tho zo si hi mai bo
mor sang tung ko post one ko he chi post hi tunia hi me thei chen le center for so wa su mang na ti wa ko hi ting he
Bồ về si tuy bằng sáng khi gom tao tia tu ni hình thì gam in âm hu tao ni te i gam hi lo ham i bul nao gam hi i ding khol zin kho pem banga mi ten thing the sanol bang ei bolu i lai dip dam lo hei mo kanam ni te bang ei bol hi na lai dip dam lo hai mo kanam mi te lungel khat ban tha khat phei bung khatin sonin mano te i gam le nam di khát lệ khát kỳ vô sang ngắt tu đau hi te koi ma ki khen thei i hi po i gam hi lo ham i bol nau gam hi i ding khol zin kho pem banga mi pen thing the sanol bang ei bolu i lai dip dam lo hei mo kanam mi te bang ei bol hi na lai dip dam lo hai mo kanam mi te song pi song cha hi the tu bang sa in ki the tu dil dil tau te tu ni hin nang lon li chu ke lon hi song hi lo am sol khom tau tin nom khom tau te pem banga mi ten thing the sanol bang ei bolu mi lai dip dam lo hei mo kanam mi te mi ten thing the sanol bang ei bol hi na lai dip dam
Our land!
Alright!
We don't want
Manipur police
if they come. Our land!
Alright!
We don't want
Manipur police!
if they come.
We will fight it!
Our land!
Alright!
We don't want
Manipur police!
if they come.
We will fight it!
Today this assemblage is only a peaceful assemblage to show our displeasure towards the decision taken by the Manipur government. However, if we are continuously pressurized or if the Manipur government tries to forcefully deploy Manipur police over here, then we will have to fight back. Be it women to women, if they have made up IBs, we also have women society, Kuki Women Society. If they want firefight, then also we will fight back. But we will not at all allow the Manipur police to be deployed in our area. This is our land. The Saibol post is in our territory, and we will not allow the Manipur police to be deployed in our area. As such, we have already lost our trust in the Manipur police. We already are aware what kind of ploy they have played during this ongoing conflict. So we have zero trust on Manipur police, and we will not allow them to enter our territory. Today, as you can see, thousands of women have gathered here at Trichin village to show their dissent against the Manipur government's instruction or direction or order to demolish an outpost that is set up for the village volunteers at Saibol so that they can deploy Manipur police. We strongly condemn this decision, and we will fight till the end. We will fight tooth and nail to stop this. We will fight till the end to stop the Manipur police to enter our area. Moreover, Saibol post is set up only for the purpose of defending our land, defending our citizens. In no way Manipur government has the right to forcefully deploy Manipur police here. If you look at the back, if we look back, there has been multiple attacks from the Meitei community against the Kuki community of this area. If we have to count in numbers, almost 15 times we have been attacked by the Meitei communities through these Saibul outposts. However, till date, the Kukis have maintained only to defend ourselves. We have never ever tried to attack the Meitei community from this area. However, the Manipur government has been playing dirty politics. First, they were suggesting to set up UNLF camp in and around this area, which we are opposing even now. And once that seems to be unsuccessful, they are trying to deploy Manipur police here. At this point of juncture, we want to ask straight away one very honest question to the government of Manipur. Why are they trying to create problem unnecessarily? This area has been peaceful, or let's say this area has been peaceful for quite some time. We, the Kuki volunteers, we fire only when we are under attack. The Manipur government cannot tolerate this peace in this area. That's why their main objective is only to create chaos in this area. Their main objective for deploying Manipur police is to just put the people of Kuki community in this area under pressure.
Bungpi area ki women's union ki losing bagi mau mayam nupi mayam sina Saibul ki post da na Meitei khoi chang ba yaroi si chang ba kanda khoi na halaga akai ba thodi na khoi na dai to go do bani khoi si post khoi gi lam ni Kuki lenda na khoi chang ba yaroi sidri phau khoi kan gani hai na ngasi mau mayam si nupi mayam sina lep chari.
Our land! Our right! We don't want
Manipur police!
if they come.
We will fight back!
Our land!
Our right!
We don't want
Manipur police!
if they come.
We will fight back! Khaye kanam mi te ho hung uvin lepon bang chan ki tho khom tao hi te pal bang in nang khom tao hi te hi mel ma sut lai khom bang do khom tai te igam hilo ham ibul nau gam hi iding khol zin kho pem banga mi ten thing thet sanol bang ei bolu ilai dip dam lo hay mo kanam mi ten thing thet sanol bang ei bol hi na lai dip dam lo hay mo kanam mi solam lum lam ma kanam mi te koi ma ki khen thei ding i bo ve
Ini lagi tu nama sana.
san ki gom tao te
Protes
tu
ya.
ni hin ki gam
Ya sang kilo hinda tu na.
ni te igam hilo ham ibul nau gam hi iding khol zin kho pem banga mi ten thing thet sanol bang ei bolu ilai dip dam lo hay mo kanam ni te mi ten thing thet sanol bang ei bol hi na lai dip dam lo hay mo kanam mi te ai mo kan lam mi te
Lai school mana his lai
ni mu lo khan hai
simul school mana hai cái ngã diu lai pan a hi kin chen cái này du jiao phat le lang ka chi du ai tai sa ho ka don bom diu cái vai than cái này du cha ku na chu cái mình cái sự đưa trả về lai hay là school là here blossom school là hin chỉ lai khol là sắm số ngay cái này như vùng pi thang như pi hồi cái lông tốt lại riêng với gari tam mong tu ni wang cái lông tốt mong ấy tu ni vùng pi thang như pi hồi cái lông tốt đã thế thật là nó mình cái đây cái lông tốt bé vào là cái chắc định một trăm phun rồi không dùng cái lò định được hi nhưng mà chỉ mà gari ông cái trái thấy từ lâu hi gari ông cái cay chứ toang qua mình lang ami tampiam na lai he
Nam lam kai ho volunteer ho CSO ho sule ngai lu num ta lo za la kilo ling pa te ho nu te ho sele nunga gulang ho na bon cha chung wa okrun le kukin pi CSO ta khelin na chung chiwa ke pa thu kan phong vine tu ni ikilung to da no hi ta ikilung to pe wale patini gam lei sin hi ida la sa lo diu e ho chena koi de ti amas pina ka sei do no me kipunu khom na am teng le ki ngai lun amin ki ngai lun am teng chula ki thu ngai na amin ki thu ngai na am teng chula gal zo na om he ti su tunin imu do zal vin avel velin mi pi ho chung zo si chunga ke pa thu kan sei ki ne ai de in si okrun kukin pi ho ke so ho chula ke dablo zu ho
tàu tê ngày lót thêm photo na adima cái ho gel ngày to sanga cái hin kho là cái khăn kho điêu ấy gel kho piwa hình zing cái pathe no cái ho zing layo nang ma pan pin na cái thô pin na nghe na cái này na te ho thasam le hình lal hi zong le veng na pan na ho zalin tuni cái mandol te ho cái su dong na le cái su no pha na boy na ha san na la hela tuni a phate ho nang ma pan pi ka chana te ho ki pa thulo te ana anga nei koi zalovin ki pa thu sein thangwa na le lo pi na soya na zo se nang ma ka hin pe vin he pakai ta sa hin don mi hem nong gel ngai to phadi ham ti aga ki man dol wa pakai nang ma dan thu ta ki to lo wa ta sa hin ka gel ki no zo se lung se ta tuni le dan ta zong e ngai dam ki zon lai di vin tin na nga ka ta ni he alim bi la ngai lu zalin malam hin kho ka khan kho diu nang ma nei mo pe vin nei het pe vin nei lam kai vin nang ma lung se nawanga tuni a tabang ta pan kala wa lung thim ngai to na tha ka ze khom na te ho he ngai lu za la hin ngai lu na pa in kala wa vai a hom zing theina dingin khat se na phat thei bonan ma nei pui zing wa ni khole phan ahung kil landung zuya chu ki pat do zo thei che dinga zong lung gel tha nei pe wa ma nei pui li vin tia thang wa poma pan pin ngai kina ka so pi hi za thalenga na nga ka thum na le ka taw na mo tai zong lei san pi di vin tin ka pakai o jesu mina na nga ka taw hi amen
Okay.